Today I'm making carrot bread. Ingredients you'll need are flour, carrots, raisins, brown sugar, sunflower oil, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla essence, and both the juice and the peel of an orange. We start by peeling and grating some carrots. I usually measure by eye, so I have about as much grated carrots as flour. Now get out the orange and zest it, but first make sure your orange wasn't exposed to pesticides. Cut the orange in half and add the juice to the carrots. If you can find your lemon press, you've proved yourself more organized than myself. Add the oil, the raisins, and give everything a good stir. Now sift the flour and stir until combined. Finally, add spices, baking powder, and vanilla essence, and stir, stir, stir again. Get out a rectangular baking tin and coat it with oil and flour. Don't forget the sides. Spoon the dough into the tin and flatten the top. Cover the tin with aluminum foil and bake at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. The carrot bread will effectively be steamed inside the tin, making it deliciously moist. Remove the cover and bake for another 20 minutes. Take out of the oven and allow to cool. If you like things a little sweeter, you can add icing. It's usually made with lemon juice, but I'm using orange just to stay within the theme. Now I get to do the best part of baking, the eating. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you could think about subscribing. There's more where that came from.